Got a 2015 Audi Q5. This is how you replace the remote key fob battery. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is turn the remote over, and we're going to remove the emergency key out of the bottom of the remote. I'm going to push this button that we have here, and we'll slide the emergency key out. We won't need it anymore. Now we're going to take the remote, and there's a button that's right here. We're going to push down on that, and we're going to push down on the other button like this. We're going to basically just squeeze it, and we're going to pull, okay? And when we pull, notice the battery just pops right out of here, okay? There's this holder right here. And we'll take this. Here's our battery. We'll flip it over. I'll show you what size it is. It's going to be a CR2032 battery. If you need one, check the description box. There'll be a link. Takes you to Amazon if you want to get one. Positive sign is going to go down in this holder, just like that. Then we're going to pop this guy right back in, or slide it right back into the remote. It just goes in, and it clicks, and it's all good. Get the emergency key, snap it back in, and that's it. Hope the video was helpful. If it was, appreciate it. Drop me a like, leave me a comment. Hope to see you again in another video.